In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make abandoned image to video in OpenArt. By the end, you'll turn a still image, like an atmospheric abandoned scene, into a moving clip with just a few clicks, while understanding what each setting actually does. Start by heading to the OpenArt Suite home in your browser. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left sidebar and choose Video. This takes you into the video tools where image to video options live. Next, choose a model. The model is the animation engine that interprets your image and creates motion. Different models can produce different motion styles and levels of detail, so pick the one that best fits the mood you want. If you're after slow, eerie movement for an abandoned vibe, lean toward models known for smooth, cinematic motion. You can always come back and switch if the first result isn't the look you had in mind. Now, set the start frame. This is your source image, the abandoned shot you want to animate. Click. Add a start frame, then select your image from your computer and click Open. Higher quality images with clear depth and texture usually animate better. If your image is very dark, consider lightly brightening it beforehand so the model can read details. You'll see a field to describe your video. This prompt is optional, but it helps steer the animation. Keep it simple and visual, like subtle drifting camera, dust motes, soft parallax. Avoid cramming in too many directions. Concise guidance often yields cleaner motion. Next, adjust the sound effects settings. If you want audio, choose a sound that matches your scene. Think wind, distant creaks, or ambient hums for an abandoned mood. If you plan to add custom audio later in an editor, you can leave this off. Choose the mode that suits your goal. Some modes prioritize strong, noticeable motion, while others keep things restrained and faithful to the original composition. For old empty spaces, a gentler mode with minimal distortions usually feels more authentic. Set the output. Here you can define essentials like aspect ratio, resolution, duration, and frame rate. Match the aspect ratio to where you'll share the video, vertical for mobile stories, horizontal for standard screens. A short duration, like 3 to 5 seconds, often works great for looping atmospheric clips. If available, pick a balanced resolution to keep quality high without long render times. When everything looks good, click Generate. Give it a moment to process, then preview your result. If the motion feels too strong or too subtle, tweak the model, mode, or prompt and generate again until it captures that haunting, abandoned feel you envisioned.